When constructing a small house, there are several key considerations to keep in mind. 1. Planning and design. Careful planning is essential. Maximize space utilization and prioritize what's most important for you. Consider open floor plans and multi-purpose spaces to make the most of limited square footage. 2. Budget. Determine your budget and stick to it. Smaller homes can be more cost-effective, but it's still important to manage expenses carefully. 3. Zoning and regulations. Check local zoning laws and building regulations. Some areas may have specific requirements or restrictions for small homes. 4. Foundation and structural integrity. Ensure a solid foundation and a structurally sound design. Small homes can be more susceptible to issues, so quality construction is vital. 5. Efficient use of space. Invest in smart storage solutions and compact furniture to make the most of your space. Built-in storage can be particularly useful. 6. Energy efficiency. Smaller homes are often more energy efficient, but you can enhance this further with good insulation, energy-efficient appliances, and sustainable building materials. 7. Natural light and ventilation. Incorporate large windows and proper ventilation to create an open and airy feel, which can make a small space seem larger. 8. Functionality. Prioritize functionality in your design. Make sure each room or area serves a clear purpose and is designed for comfort and convenience. 9. Maintenance. Smaller homes generally require less maintenance, but consider long-term maintenance when choosing materials and finishes. 10. Future needs. Think about your future needs. Will the small house meet your requirements in the long term? Consider potential changes in family size or lifestyle. 11. Outdoor space. If possible, create a functional outdoor area to extend your living space. A well-designed outdoor space can provide additional room for relaxation and entertainment. 12. Aesthetics. Don't compromise on aesthetics. Small homes can be beautiful and stylish. Choose a design and decor that reflect your personal tastes and preferences. 13. Safety. Ensure your small house complies with safety standards. This includes fire safety measures, proper electrical wiring, and a secure structure. 14. Consult professionals. It's often wise to consult with architects, builders, or contractors experienced in small house construction.